celebrate the 79th anniversary of India's independence. We honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters whose struggle gave us the gift of a sovereign nation. Their unwavering courage and the principle of non-violence, championed by leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, led to the historic day of August 15, 1947. This day is not just about remembering the past, but also about looking to the future. We must uphold the values of unity in diversity and a cornerstone of our nation's identity. As citizens, we have a responsibility to contribute to our country's progress, fighting against social injustice and working toward a more inclusive and prosperous India. The youth particular are the thought periods of tomorrow, and their emotion and energy will shape our nation's destiny. Let us pledge to be honest, responsible citizens and work together to build a stronger India, a nation that inspires the world. It is a day to remember the countless sacrifices of our Indian soldiers. They dreamed of a free India, an India where every citizen would have the right to live with dignity and equality. 78 years ago, the tricolour was unfurled for the first time, not just as a flag but as a symbol of hope, a testament to the power of a united people. The Paris film from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, from the intellectual brilliance of Jawaharlal Nehru to the steadfast resolve of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Our freedom struggle was a tapestry woven with diverse ideologies and a common purpose. Today we honor their legacy by reflecting on the journey we have undertaken as a nation. We have faced numerous challenges: poverty, illiteracy, social inequality, and external threats. Yet with every hurdle, we have emerged stronger. Our democracy, the largest in the world, is a beacon of hope for many. Our scientists have sent missions to the moon and Mars. Our athletes have brought home glory, and our entrepreneurs have built global empires. However, the journey is far from over. As we celebrate our achievements, we must also acknowledge the work that lies ahead. We must strive to build an India where every child has access to equality, quality education. Every individual has access to healthcare, and no one is left behind. We must combat the social evils that continue to plague our society and work towards a more inclusive and equitable India. The spirit of unity, of diversity is not just a slogan, it is the very essence of our nation. It is a trait that holds together the rich and varied cultures, languages and traditions that make India so unique. We must cherish this diversity and stand united against any force that seek to divide us. Let us pledge today to be responsible citizens, to uphold the values of our constitution and to work tirelessly for the betterment of our country. Let us remember that the future of India is not in the hands of a few, but in the collective effort of each and every one of us. Happy Independence Day! Jai Hind, Jai Bharat!